So do we need a separate competition law to deal with digital markets, which is the internet, right? So in the internet, you've got e-commerce, you've got messaging, you've got, online cab hailing, you've got video conferencing apps, you've got app stores. So each of them has a particular dominant player, right? In e-commerce in India, there's Flipkart and there's Amazon. In taxi hailing, there is Ola, there's Uber. In case of messaging, there's largely WhatsApp, which is dominant. In case of in case of App Store, there's the Google Play Store. So we have dominant players in the internet market, but do you need a law to regulate dominance? Like, what's the problem here? These companies have earned their dominance in a sense. So what's the problem with that? One way of thinking about it is that there's something called market crowding, which is that because these apps exist and because they're so dominant, because so many people are using them, other players can't make an entry into the market. So consumer choice is restricted, right? How many people use messaging apps apart from WhatsApp, right? Telegram is there and a couple of other apps, small, like Signal has been popular recently. But we tend to use only one app or two apps. Many of us, for example, I prefer to use Amazon over Flipkart, or I may prefer to use Uber over Ola. Everyone has their own preferences, Zomato over Swiggy. So they're dominant apps and usually people prefer one or the other, but there's some amount of competition. What do you do when there's one player that is perhaps abusing the market, like the CCI has ruled in case of the Google Play Store, and is dominating and also trying to extract rent from the market, so consumers have either less choice or no choice? So this is new to competition law, market crowding, and this kind of digital dominance at this scale. And this new committee that's been formed by the Indian government is probably going to look into these aspects, saying how do you reduce this dominance in the digital markets.